Hey guys, George Florida Parks After Dark. Well, we have made it back to one of our favorite places, All-Star Movies. And we'll pan this way. And you can tell by the gigantic fire hydrant over by 101 Dalmatians, we're here. So we're gonna go in, take a look. It is evening, so the parks have just started closing. Crowds have cleared out. It's gonna be nice and quiet for a fantastic view. So for those of you who know, All-Star Movies is one of 3 resorts, which is All-Star Music, Sports, and Movies where we are. Now, Movies obviously has a movie theme. So this is being Movies that has the movie reels, that has the movies in the front where you check in. Music has music themes, and then there's obviously sports theme. So this is awesome. Now they have a nice little sitting area for when you got waiting for your room, waiting for your bus, waiting for the cruise. It's all here. Back wall always on these, all 3 of the resorts look exactly the same. Back wall is always painted to the theme. Since this is Movies, this is a world premiere. Hollywood, blah, 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 blah. And then they have, this is their merch store. This is double feature. And then we'll go through this way. Now, so that's the lobby, come straight out. Always the merch store for these are in the front there to the left. To the right is this world premiere food court. Yes. So let's go in and check that out. All right, guys, George Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at world premiere food court at All-Star Movies. So All-Star Movies obviously is a value resort, but the food here is anything but value. So this is really kind of the panty menu. So you got your show-stopping burgers, which is awesome. Real quick, this is great. Mojo chicken, salmon, shrimp, sesame chicken, beef and vegetable stir fry. You're at a value resort, guys. It is awesome. So come on in. There's your mobile pickup order. We use that far too often. And then you come in. They just redid this entire thing probably about a year ago. So it has that feel of all the famous movie theaters. And they've named them the Majestics over there. Then they get the Lyric, the Grand, Roxy, and Rialto. All famous. But each are stations. Now, you know, on all these resorts where you have the major food court, you have your stations. Majestic is your pizza, and then has your kids' meals. Lyric is your make your own, which has that mojo chicken, the salmon, the shrimp we saw. And it also has the chicken adobo nachos, which is mind-blowing. Then back to Grand covers all the cold food, snacks, and the desserts. Let's go take a peek. First off, Disney snacks are the best. But then they have the desserts. Oh, a little pillage. So you got the mini cupcakes, and then you have Toy Story cupcakes. They just look a little mangled today. And then you got the chocolate Mickey cupcakes back there, but most are picked out. A lot of people came from the parks, came in and grabbed the dessert. Coming back out, the Roxy has your burgers and your chicken and fries, and your sandwiches, and Rialto is your desserts. Now, right now, the bucket right there, that is awesome. It is awesome. Now they also have the brownie sundae, which is great. You have a Mickey brownie. The sundae. So really, these desserts are next level. And then talking about the desserts, forget the refrigerated ones. You got these. So you have your Mickey heads, chocolate chip, chocolate cookie dough. Then you have your loaded sugar cookie one, and you just have your big old cookies. So this is really this section. Now, obviously you get all your food. You check out here. And then in the back here, they have great seating. Now what they've done is they've themed it. So all these movie posters have been kind of tweaked a little bit. Bungle Cruise instead of Jungle Cruise. The Love Bugs versus Herbie Love Bug. Pete of the Caribbean versus Pirates. So you kind of get the theme that they kind of turned a little Mickified. So this is it. Now I will tell you honestly, the food here is outstanding. The selection here is great. We literally come here to get food, dinner and lunch sometimes, because the food is just so good. Do a mobile app, drop it in, pull up, grab it with a mobile order, and away we go. So, guys, that is the food court. And as we walk out the sign, we want to thank you. Do your favorite, like, and subscribe. We will talk to you guys later. So that is the food court. Now, obviously, fantastic. And we're going to go over here. Now, there's always a food court in the front of all the All-Stars, and there's always an arcade. Real Fun Arcade is one here in movies. Now, I want to tell you something. The food is outstanding, like you saw. The arcades are crazy. This is a value resort. Right now, okay, we're up in the front here. They have good old-fashioned pinball. Then they have all the sitting shoot games, the driving games, the oversized Pac-Man, Defender. And they have all the shooting games, the fishing games. They have the Golden Tee golf game. They have a big drive. They have the circus stuff, the clowns, which scare me. Then they have the basketball shoot. They have a photo booth. And you come up to the other side, and there's just more. Then you got Guitar Hero. And they have Typhoon up here, which any of you have ever seen our channel, you know Typhoon is our favorite thing of all times. You've got to check it out if you haven't done it. So, and the skee ball. So, the arcades here do such a better job than even the deluxe resorts arcades. Deluxe resort arcades are usually small, a lot less games. That spreads out. It is awesome. Now, you have to assume they do that because probably in a value resort you get more kids to stay here. I ain't buying it. I think they just brought their A game for the value resorts. Now, real quick, let's do a map check. Love showing you guys where we are. Okay, so this is where we are. Now, we're down here. Wait on it. Where's my finger? There. And that's Cinema Hall, which is the main area. Now, in all value resorts, you have a main area which has your check-in, your merch store, and your food. From there, they have lands that circle it. To your immediate left is Toy Story Land. Straight ahead is Fantasia. Behind Fantasia, Love Bug. And then to the right is 101 Dalmatians. Behind Dalmatians, Mighty Ducks. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lands circling the whole thing. There are 2 pools. There's one main area here and then one over by Ducks because it's so far away. And it is just a great laid out plane. Now, this down here is the All of All Stars. And we are all one all the way to the left. In the middle is music and all the way to the right is sports. And what's great about this is you have access to one, you get access to all 3. This is the main pool. This is a Fantasia pool. And there's Mickey right there. Let me zoom in on you. So there's Mickey on stage. And when the pool is open, it's spraying water. It is awesome. And so we're going to take a quick walk through and just kind of arrange. So behind us is Toy Story. And then straight ahead of us is 101 Dalmatians. And I would say the resorts here are big and sprawling, but they're manageable. They're very walkable. You can go from land to land. Going from resort to resort, however, now that's a walk. Now, I'm taking you this way for one very selfish reason, and one very selfish reason only. They have the brooms with the buckets of water from Fantasia. And the thing here is great. Look real quick, I'll show you this. So there's Pongo and Purdy. Yeah, as big as Pongo and Purdy you've ever seen in your whole life, I know. And there's a Fantasia book. And then the fire hydrant that blocks the stairwell goes through the stairwell blocking. But then there's that guy. Now, I personally love the brooms. I love the water. The fact there's water in the buckets. They're swinging the arms. It's just awesome. So that's one of my favorite sections. So then that's Fantasia. Over there's 101 Dalmatians. And like I said, Toy Story to our right now, not to the left, not behind us. So the other 3 lands, we're not going to walk through just yet. We just want to give you guys a good brief overview of All-Stars, of All-Star movies specifically. Kind of get you a sense on reason why I really think as a value resort this thing does knock it out of the park. If you were to start compare pricing, this is probably the most, if not definitely the most reasonable place to stay, price-wise.
I promise.
Now you are going to be getting the hotel room kind of vibe, 2 beds and the thing. They do have family suites here. No, they don't. I'm sorry. They do not have family suites here. They have regular rooms here. I was wrong. But so that is it. So guys, listen. It's the George Florida Parks After Dark. We are here at All-Star Movies. Do me a favor. Subscribe. We are less than 200 away from 10,000. Really want to get there before we get to 2 years on YouTube. Like this video. It helps out tremendously. And go ahead and have a fantastic night. We will talk to you later.